final year students attending online video interviews, first year students facing internship interviews. This video is created only to make the student to attend online video interview session effectively, especially with the companies like Google, Microsoft, IBM, Infosys, etc., where the candidate technical exposure is counted rather than the personal profile. Introduce yourself as per the company standard means how well a fresher or a candidate is having the knowledge and is able to give the explanation regarding the market, international market structure, and different company products. For example, the software company, what are the different products, what they do, what is the strategy, how they perform, how they reach the clients, is all about the introduce yourself, which a fresher has to explain in front of the HR. So while speaking in front of the HR, while presenting yourself, you must start with the industry related introduction and then highlight your personal experience. So we have prepared certain format to make the students to present in front of the HR with this particular content. If you are having a perfect format with you, if you are already having a strategic plan to face the interview, you can go with that one. So students who are not having the clear picture, so this particular content will be useful to clear the first round of interview. Okay, let us start the session. See, first I will just brief the words, then I'll start the pronunciation. You can follow the same pronunciation to grab the job. So first, introduction words should be entirely different from others. So my greetings is the word taken. As we are connecting online virtually using digital devices, we use this particular word. And whatever we speak, it should be from the bottom of the heart. Let us speak how why you are doing the job. So you do the job to develop the economic growth of the country and then present yourself in a new manner. This soul is used, and we should never have any emotions. The people with emotions will never be recruited by the company. Okay, so we should act as an electronic chip. We should concentrate only of our company clients and the 24 by 7. They want the people who are not having emotions and they work only for the sake of the clients and the company products. So here, what are the job we do? We have to provide the best to the clients. When you are attempting for core companies only, use this introduce new technology. Okay. So other than core companies, no need to use that word. Your strength is analytical thinking and problem solving, which is nothing but within short period of time, how to solve and think, bring the solution for complicated problem. Okay, right. So this BPO is what every company is having this particular process. So that's why in our introduction also we have to introduce this BPO explanation. Next type of job is the tech support. So 99% of jobs in the Hyderabad are actually the business process outsourcing, the tech support, and then the software. Whether you are BCom or BBA or any category, you require this particular process. So let us start the session now. How to speak in front of the HR. My greetings to all virtual, digitally connected physical human beings who belong to the planet Earth. My heart, interfaced with the brain, which has billions of neurons, is so eager and confident to communicate with external world. A country can become strong with good economic growth. Economic growth of a country depends on creation of innovative products and proportional jobs such as BPO, business process outsourcing, artificial intelligence, jobs on digital marketing, technical support, cloud computing, software programming, electronics, etc. Let me introduce myself now. This soul named as Pradyumna. The ship has different functions which will be used only for the sake of clients. My career objective is providing the best to the clients in whatever may be the field I am, enhancing the quality of product and service. My strength is analytical thinking and problem solving. Now, as a fresher, let me define the BPO industry, business process outsourcing. So outsourcing is all about how we are marketing our product with the other country, the foreigners. We must have the international communication skills. So BPO is a third party organization which has the complete knowledge on selected company products. and their process to interact with the selected clients to solve their requirements. For common man understanding, let us consider a company A which is manufacturing a product A. Let us say it is a laptop. Client C is the person who is using that laptop. So if he is having any problem how to use the laptop or what are the service technical problem, BPO is a third party team who will be having the complete knowledge on the laptop and will interact with the client C, will make sure that client C is entirely, all the queries of the client C are finished. So as a result, the company A will be concentrating on the next product manufacturing. So in this way, the efficiency and productivity of the number of companies increases. So BPO jobs are multiple in numbers. So nowadays we are having enough BPO jobs only everywhere. So where this particular team has to have the knowledge on the another company product. So BPO is a third-party organization which has complete knowledge of a selected company products and the process to interact and solve the respective client queries. So Infosys company, if you take the example, Infosys software and Infosys BPM, business process management. So Wipro BPO we are having. So every company has got its own BPO functionality. So mainly the students will be placed in this particular sector other than the software. So other process is technical support. So as a fresher, every student has to define this particular process. Tech support, IT tech support. This tech support is nowhere connected to the call center. Tech support, finding out the error, technical error, and solving the problem. Technical support, IT technical support system works with the networks and different computers. So let me start from the first here. Now it's a simple wrap. My greetings to all virtual, digitally connected physical human beings who belong to the planet Earth. A heart, interface with the brain, which has billions of neurons, is so eager and confident to communicate with the external world. A country can become strong with good economic growth. Economic growth of a country depends on creation of innovative products and proportional jobs such as business process outsourcing, artificial intelligence, digital marketing, technical support, cloud computing, jobs, jobs on the software programming, electronics, etc. Let me introduce myself. This soul named as Pradyumna. This ship has different functions which will be used only for the sake of clients. My career objective is providing the best to the clients, introducing new technology, enhancing the quality of product and service. Analytical thinking and problem solving is my strength. As a fresher, let me introduce the definition of the BPO. BPO is a third-party organization which is having the complete knowledge on company products and the process of they operate, which are going to interact completely with the clients and going to solve the queries of the clients. At the end, let me finish my introduction. This week, if I speak with zeal, my speech will reach to each at peaks because this is my week, interview week. So after all this introduction process, then you highlight your school, college details, what is your degree and what is your percentage. Then unless until they ask the hobbies and weakness, don't highlight them. So first introduction 5 to 6 minutes should be entirely on market structure. So the last word pronunciation you just follow as I'm doing that one. Otherwise the meaning will never reflect. It will never have any great impact. Okay. This week, if I speak with zeal, my speech will reach to each peaks because this is my week, the interview week. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you.